All aboard the struggle bus. Well, it's really corroded on there. I don't know how to get it off. Maybe if I hit it. Can I pry it off? Doesn't seem like it. Oh, is that another snap ring? It doesn't make any sense. Looks an awful lot like a snap ring. Ow! I should have done this when I had it on the bench. Maybe this will get it. Oh, what the hell? Oh no. This is stupid. Now it's all sharp. Ouch. Ah, yes. Ooh. Yes. Oh no. Why does that seem like it's... Oh, it's because it's tightening. Would have been much easier if I'd have done it on the bench. God, I finally got it. Right over.